Hello everyone, so it's RAS time. So welcome to this first my candor RAS. We are RASing today this beautiful card, Sign of the Times of Wayne Gretzky. So let's comment to the post. So we are live now. Okay, so next I'm going to copy all the spots to randombase.org list randomizer. So clock in Finland is 22:12 at the moment. So good luck everyone. First randomize. Okay. Second. Here's the time in Finland again. Okay, so now the moment of truth. So let's see who our lucky winner is. Roa Rees. Congrats, mate. Thanks you all for participating in this RAS.